I want to discuss a couple of power products. With a 3-core power cable, it's not always easy to install these little gizmos. This one is an exception. So it's a brand new product. At the time of filming, it's just receiving its approvals. And you'll notice on the back it's completely different. You've got these teeth. The idea of these teeth are that they dig into the cable to make the connection. So the product as you see it, you have this mechanism, which is a crimping mechanism here. And then you have a release. So when we put this one in, just put it in the center and then down. If you wanted to release, press a release, bring it up. So if it's a new job, probably the easiest way to go is to simply run your 3-core power cable straight through these. When you're at the point where you want to make a connection, you insert your screwdriver here, and then with a bit of force, pull this all the way around, and that digs through the cable, and you've got a connection. So that'll be active. Backing plating isn't actually necessary because you've actually got this place insulating the connection. If you wanted to release it, you've got to uncrimp it, and then you can release the connector here. So you just push it down and then jiggle it out and you're done. We've used this cable a couple of times. You can see it digs through the cable, and you can see in this sample we've just made a few markings of the correct way of having it. And here you've got a very similar idea where you've got 3 sockets, same mechanism for crimping them in place.